Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you can act immediately. First, confirm the device IP, MAC, and the precise Not Reachable message. This narrows root causes. Next, log in with admin credentials via console or SSH so you can run commands. While connected, capture basic status, interface, route, and uptime. Once done, save those outputs for later comparison. Make sure to avoid rebooting yet. We need live state to trace the problem accurately. Now you dig into the middle of the problem by testing the path. Ping and trace route from local and upstream devices to see where reachability breaks, record latency, and packet loss. Then inspect ARP tables, routing table entries, ACL, and interface status for mismatches or flaps. Compare the current running config to the last known good config to spot accidental changes. If you see asymmetry or wrong next hops, adjust routing or ACLs carefully. Finish by applying precise fixes and confirming full recovery. Make the targeted config change, correct route, ACL rule or interface setting, then clear ARP and cache entries. If necessary, restart the related service rather than the whole device. After each change, rerun ping and traceroute to verify end-to-end reachability. If it still fails, roll back the most recent change and test an alternate uplink or path. Troubleshooting tip: when stuck, compare saved logs to current output to spot subtle regressions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.